The season has changed and our small backyard garden is winding down. It's been a wonderful year and we have harvested an abundance of fruits and vegetables. We are very thankful for all the pollinators that contributed towards our garden's growth and great success.
Hi everyone, so today we are at the end of September and I am thinking this must be the last harvest of the season. I still have few better melon to harvest and maybe some beans and some tomatoes. So let's go and start harvesting. So although they are very small, but I have to harvest it now because soon the weather is getting colder and we're going to have a frost.
This is why I love growing indeterminate tomatoes because it just never stops producing all through the season. If you are planning to plant vertically, I am suggesting full beans is a good idea. It is very easy to grow and it produces all through the season. But just remember, the more you picked, the more it will provide. I like to plant different varieties of indeterminate tomatoes in the garden. It is fun to see different shape, different colors, and you just can pick up snacks every corner of your garden. And if there's too much, you can always share it. We were so blessed and thankful with our small backyard garden. It produced so much abundance, and I'm able to share it with my friends and coworkers.
This scarlet runner beans here in the arbor is producing so much. I let some of the seeds dried up for the next year, and I still have some more to harvest. Let's open this one right here. Oh wow, look at these beans. Oops, one dropped. We are going to use this for the next season. So look at that. Look at how beautiful they are. Look at this. Let's take a look at this one right now. Oops. Look at that. You see the purple color and then there's black thing on it. So pretty. Now let's do the flat beans. See the flat beans is different. It's more rounder and more smaller. The color is a bit lighter as well. See, this is the scarlet runner beans and this is the flat beans. Wow, I like that one. Here are the seeds that I have collected today. Some I will cook it and some I will save for seeds for next year. So this is how much we harvest for today. I still have one little squash, one tomato and some of the cherry tomatoes. And then I have a few types of beans in here and then the better melon. Here are the seeds that I have harvested from a flat beans and then the scarlet runner beans. So in here I have 5 types of beans. This is the long yard beans. I have the purple and the green color, and this is the purple beans. This is the pole beans, flat beans, and the scarlet runner beans. They are very prolific. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.